Hello everyone, this is Jaime Martinez. This video we're gonna show the process how we did a fence in the backyard and two gates in the front. So we have some images, some pictures. It's showing the conditions of the old fence, how it was totally rotten and falling off. All the posters was rotten, so it was necessary to remove them, put it on the dump, and then start working to recreate the full fence in the entire community. Property. Okay, which I'm showing more images about conditions of the old fence. As you can see, it's really old and rotten, so it was necessary to change it. Now we are doing demo over here in the backyard. We have to have access in both properties, on the backyard and the backyard and the property of the back neighbor and the next door neighbor too, so everybody share their expenses to do the new fence. And then we went to Lowe's and buy materials that we need. We are using special redwood is traded. This wood is special for is waterproof and it's traded against termites. This is the fence, how it was shaking and moving. So they were trying to have a dog inside the backyard, but it was not possible because the dogs were trying to go out or go to the next door neighbor, so that's why it was convenient to replace the entire fence. So I'm showing all these videos the way you guys can see all the work that has been done, all the wood, all the rotten wood. So now we have the new panels and getting ready all the materials to be able to start working on the new fence. So we have a truck full of materials and tools and the people ready to work. This is the water gate on the right hand side of the property. We're looking the conditions. It was totally rotten. It was not able to, not even to open. It was stuck and rotten, broken, moving, shaking. So it was necessary to take it off and just throw it away. Then we have the new panels right there. We have already set in line and plumb all the posters in the backyard and grading the dirt to make sure everything is going to be lined and plumb. As you can see, we have all the panels, new panels over there, and then we have to make sure all the posters are the same height, the same level. Then we start installing the new panels. We took off the old fencing, we put it on the dump, and then we start installing all the new posters, installing the new panels, making sure everything is in the proper way. As you can see, we are taking out the fence on the left hand side of the property and putting everything in the trailer that we brought to be able to put it into the dump. All this back section to this point of the video is almost finished. Only one panel left, and then it was gonna be finished 100% on the back side of the fence. And we are doing the demolition for the other fence on the left hand side. Then we have this tree. It was in the way. We have to trim it to be able to install the new fencing on the left side and backyard of the property. As you can see, I'm showing we already have this all the fence on the back finished, but we have too many trees in there, so it was a little hard to work and deal with it, but we did it. And then we went to the dump, Lancaster dump, and just when it was too windy, so it was just pushing. I just was pushing a little bit the fence, and the wind was taking the fencing away from the trailer. It was fun because I don't have to put too much effort just to dump it. So that was on Lancaster dump. And as you can see, we have the dump, some video from the dump. It was snowing at that moment. It was snowing in Lancaster dump. So we have some more branches and more wood to dump. And let's see. Okay, after the dump all the trash, we went back to the property to keep working on the fence. We have all the posted line already with concrete, ready to start installing the gates on the front. Make sure everything is lined, everything is plumb, everything. The gates are going to be in good conditions to be able to open and close the doors without stacking or making sure everything is proper installation. Trying to do our best, making a professional job on the fence. As you can see, we have all this section. We are getting down the last corner for the fence, so we are getting ready to install the last panel, and then the door, the gate on the left hand side. Then we took off this door on the right hand side of the house. It was we was getting ready to do the other new door. So that one is ready. As you can see, we're testing the door. Everything is fine. So now we're gonna take a long walk around the fence to the way everybody can see the entire fence. It was a lot of work. We did a lot of work here. All fence completely finished totally, and we just gotta do the front gates, and then after this gates everything was gonna be 100%. We're working on the fence. We have to grind that block to be able to close the other fence. That's the fence from interior. There's the backyard to be able to see it from different angles, different views, and then this is the new door from inside. On this image, we was getting done the last part of the job. You see the door closing and opening. We just gotta put the latch, and pretty much we finish. So everything plumb, everything lined, everything is strong. So I feel so proud of the job we did. I think it looks very nice. It was a lot of work, too many hours of work. It was not easy because it was too wind, it was too cold, but we finally finish. Okay, that's it. Have a good day.